Simple.
We are finally
just a circle in the dirt.
We're headed north.
Circle, all protecting.
A few standard repairs.
All the dirt is Mama Earth. Mama, Gaia, Mother, matters, mind, I earn my word. Fire, connect the spirit, Father, cause new birth. My bravery enslaved me, I feel the freedom in my mind. I recognize divinity, I always recognize my kind. I'm a seeker, I've been seeking for a higher mind, but it had to be kind. I become the connection that I did find. I'm God and a seeker at the same time. Never sold in the street, I went straight to the kitchen. I got mad sound skills and my growth rate's pitching. My real life read like it science fiction. I'm a volunteer, I'm on a mission. I asked you to bow in front of me, cause that would be like me. Bow in front of me, see by you might find me. Bow to you, that's just my love, some shit. So catch a 7-man human elevator. You don't wanna come with me, so baby, catch you later. I got no respect for robes that gather grey curly wigs. I got no time for overseers, enemy of the pigs. Change is non-negotiable, moving in the game. Gotta pick up a torch, cause I'll be bringing the flame. Get your ass off the porch, stranger. Cause some of my mates staying the same. Yeah, we got space on a brand new plane. Yeah, we got space on a brand new plane. Shifty. Zero, you and I, there's only we. I'm number 1 or 2, that's me. So maybe we should A, B, C, D, make a number 3. Dream you forward up toward a world we're living free. Seek independence, transhuman transcendence. We are we, the people, we are not the defendants. Sack a lot of stinking raw. The only way we end this, hanging from the bridges like the golden hour pendants. I'm sick of this shit, yeah. And it's time to see humanity rise. There's no prize for participating, not in system shit, it's debilitating. You wanna make me the villain? I'm happy just chilling. Surround me with bars, but I'll be breaking through the ceiling. No matter what they try to stick me with, dealing. No, I'm heaven sent with that Teflon feeling. Pick a pocket, jab a lot to make another billing. Seek a lot of jab a lot to make another killing. Never ever said I never trusted science. I said I never ever trusted Epstein Island clients. Not even scientists anyways. Hey, which side of the revolution are you on, loved one? You're gonna be co-creating with us, or you're gonna stay a victim in an abusive relationship? Stay with the unseeing for more of the same. Just more of it. Enjoy your life. All are a disc. I just laugh with the tears. It's a boom mandala, it's all part of one song. Couldn't paint it more perfect, you're welcome to come along. Fractal holographic, universal matrix. I got all your answers, yeah, you're gonna wanna take this. You can rise another 5, but you can stay and say 6. I ask the energy to come alive, let me try to wake this. You got no manhood like a John Wayne Barber. You got long hairy toes like a short hairy stop it. Thought I was gonna rhyme Hobbit and Hobbit. I got over your head like it's tennis, I love it. I'm a menace to tennis, never serving any court. Never a baseline player, every point I caught was fought for 4 times harder than any second starter. I'm beyond death now, cause you just make a man a martyr. Rip a man apart, a harder father, go a Magna Carta. I'm a harder father, set to protect the gargoyle in the garden. I'm the monster under the bad man's bed, and I'm a shining light to the righteous instead. I'm a bad day, baby, waiting to happen to a very, very, very bad man. Made a very, very, very bad plan. On a bad dark day, while the children out to playing, there's some skeletons, some pumpkins on display. I see you celebrating, devils playing. They be making all the children run away, and some are falling, some get slain. Some I live to play again another day. up nice. We eating pumpkin pie and it's all sugar and spice. But in another life, a man melts crystal like ice, stabs a needle through the children's eyes. Man pulls the plunger back like it's a whale attack. Goop chromadrino on your neck, stack it back and look your dad, stack it back. Don't have a heart attack, the world is whack. Sorry Jack, we out of time, we gotta make you cry. And if you're listening, if you're listening,